Hi guys, tonight I go to teach you the song of Damien Rice called Volcano. Have a good lyric, and so let's try. And so the first I go try to play one part of song, and so after let's go step by steps, okay? Well, I need to find the lyrics because I haven't a good memory. Well, here. That's all I need. Don't build a road around. Volcanoes melt you down. What I ask to her is not real. What I am to you, do you not need? Of mountain the asking of the sea. Well, that's alright. So let's try step by step the song. The first what you need to do is pay attention on the rhythm. The rhythm is so easy. It's just this part of hands you put inside, yeah, and so your first finger you always drop 2 times. Alright, it's so easy. If you put in your mind, it's just 3 chords. You put E minor, F and G, or B, the five string, and after you put your finger here. So easy too. And so let's try A minor, after you put one F major, and so it's so easy. The rhythm, well, you're thinking about, well, one you play here, yeah, and up, and then another the three fingers and a down. After you do the E minor chord, you just make this stem, well, up and a down. Well, the rhythm is always the same, and so you just need to practice the chords and put this in your right hand. Easy. Haven't the secrets. And so, the song tonight is this. I hope you enjoy. If you like this, well, have one like here in the video. Well, drop there. It's okay? Bye.